welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to export videos from InVideo AI and prepare your finished project for sharing or publishing. First, open InVideo AI and sign in to your account. From your workspace, open the video project you want to export. Before exporting, watch the complete video from beginning to end. This is an important step because you can catch problems before creating the final version. Start by checking the script and voiceover. Make sure the narration is clear, the pronunciation sounds correct, and there are no unnecessary sections. Next, review every scene and check the visuals.
All we need.
Make sure the images and video clips
AI
match the
can never
narration,
do.
and that nothing
So you don't
important
use
is
AI at
missing.
all?
After that,
AI?
check the subtitles
Me?
and on-screen text. Look for spelling mistakes, incorrect information, or text that appears at the wrong time. Now review the background music and audio levels.
To me. So
Make
you
sure
do
the
use
music
AI.
doesn't overpower the voiceover and that the overall audio sounds balanced. Next, check the scene transitions and pacing.